Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rendani and if it's your first time here, you're welcome. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn that bell notification on so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. So today we're going to be doing a mukbang, whatever you call it, mukbang slash chit chat, because yeah. So this is what I'm having today. These are wings, chips, and beef ribs because I don't like pork ribs. So yes, let us get into the video. So yeah, I'm a bit annoyed because this took forever to come out. I'm not say forever, I mean forever. I might have waited for like 45 minutes to an hour for this, so I'm a bit annoyed right now, but I'm happy because food is here. So I'm sure most of you were surprised by me just making a comeback without even telling you guys that I'm coming back on my socials and whatnot. But this is something that I've always wanted to do, and I like doing actually. Like, I feel like right now I'm in a good space where I'm doing it for all the right reasons. Because at first when I tried it, I feel like I had the wrong reasons as to why I was doing this, but now I'm in a good space. I'm doing it for all the right reasons. That's why I like things like numbers and all of that don't really affect me right now, because I'm doing this because I love this. So it was I don't know, but like I was planning on coming back whatsoever. So my birthday is coming up. I do not have plans whatsoever. I do not have plans for my birthday because I'm going to be moving or traveling back home. But I'm obviously gonna celebrate when I get home with my family. But you know what I don't like about my birthday is that I don't get to spend it with my friends because everybody's going home. Even when I was still in high school, like I attended school in town. So during this time, everybody's at home, nobody's at school. So yeah, my birthday I always like celebrating with family. And this year I don't have anything special planned. I'm just gonna I've already I've already opened my birthday gift that I gave myself, but I don't know, maybe I'll buy myself something nice. I don't know. I'll see. Which is just so weird because I'm always buying myself things, so what's so special about it? But when it comes to my birthday, it was sad for many years because like I'm the eldest at home, and I don't have friends at home to spend it with, and my friends at school are at their places, so for the most part I just ignored my birthday until a few years ago when I was like, you know what, this is my day, I should appreciate myself. If there's no one to celebrate it with me, I will celebrate it by myself. I don't need anybody to help me celebrate or whatnot, because it is my birthday after all. By the way, I'm not gonna finish this. I will finish the rest later at night, so this is a lot. So over the last year showed me flames. That's why I decided to even take a hiatus from YouTube and all of that, because it is a mess. As I was saying, last year was a mess, but I feel like I had to go through that in order to find myself, because I came back better and stronger. I'm not gonna lie, like last year 2019 really wasn't a good year for Rendani in all aspects of my life. Like in all aspects of my life, like it just wasn't my year. But I feel like I had to go through that so that I find myself, what I'm about, what I'm really passionate about, because like a lot has changed since last year. I've grown as a person. I'm back on YouTube, and like I'm not even thinking about what are people going to say, because I don't care. As long as I am doing what I love doing, I'm happy. I'm just legit happy. And also it did take me like a lot for me to come back there, because it's not easy. I'm not gonna lie, like putting yourself out there, obviously people are gonna have opinions, people are gonna judge. Because I remember the first time I tried YouTube, this girl from school said that just because you've got internet, not everyone is supposed to have like a YouTube channel. I'm not gonna lie, it did hurt. My ego was bruised. It did hurt. Sorry. It did kind of hurt, but I feel like I needed to hear that so that I get motivated as so yeah. But overall I am enjoying myself this time. I'm taking my time. I'm learning so much about myself, what I'm about, and overall I'm doing what I love. Like okay, I'm not gonna, this is a bit overwhelming now. Okay, let's do something. And I don't think I should be eating this because I've gained so much weight. My mom is not going to be happy when she sees me eating like this. But anywho, as long as I'm happy, who cares? Okay, I do, but I'm happy. So, do you guys like beef ribs or pork ribs? Because I didn't grow up eating pork. I only started eating pork when I came to varsity. That's when I started eating bacon. And that's the only pork I can eat, like pork. The normal cooked pork, I can't stand it. Yeah, I eat bacon. Ribs, yeah, I can swallow them, but I'm not a fan either. But beef ribs on the other hand, The only thing that I don't like about beef ribs is that they are expensive, mad as expensive. Like, why? I don't get it. Is it because like elephants? Oh my god! Is it because cows are huge? But they're made as expensive compared to beef ribs, to pork ribs. But they do taste better. And also, this is like the reason why I'm eating this. This is my bye-bye fast food for 2020. I'll see you again next year. Because I'm going home and you know, we don't have like fancy restaurants at home. We have like your KFC or Nando's. Yeah, there's a news cafe now in the Roku Mamas and Steers, but I'm not a fan. So I will be eating fast food again next year. Doing a mukbang, am I supposed to finish the food? Because this is overwhelming, guys. This is a lot. I don't think I can guys to this. Oh my god. I almost dropped it. This is a lot. Am I supposed to finish the food? Because and the thing is that they do not have this meal in smaller portions. They do have for the pork meal, but for beef ribs they have like only this meal, which I hate because it's not as expensive and it's a lot. So this is going in there. You know why I shouldn't be eating this? Another reason I shouldn't be eating this is because I signed a 12-month contract at gym and I've never ever set foot there, and it's expiring in January and I'll be home by then. So sorry. Oh my god, look what I've done. It's expiring in January and I've never set foot there. But for the most part, I blame the lockdown because I was at home for the most part. But I could have went this month, but I was writing exams. I always have excuses of why not I'm not going to gym. I always have excuses. And then when I go buy clothes, I cry. Oh my god, I'm so fat. You are just pretty much watching me eat because I'm not even saying anything. So if you're into those vibes, then this video is for you. Because I'm having a good time here. I'm tired now. just have one. I'm full now, like I'm good. If I ever post this on YouTube, I doubt I will, but if I do, and you wait until this part, you're the real OG. I also can't eat and talk at the same time because when I was young, my mom was like, you don't talk while eating. And of fure. I'm gonna learn the fure. I'm good now. Thank you guys for watching this not so successful mukbang, but this was just too much food and I'm full now, so I will finish the rest later, or I'll eat it as dinner. But thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn that bell notification on so you get notified each time I upload a new video. Hopefully my audio is even like good. Let me take one more bite.